Video we will see how to fix Birdfy app AI bird ID keeps misdefining the bird not in my region. So guys, to fix this error, first of all correct the AI in the app. The Birdfy AI learn and update its tag based on the user feedback. So you go to the moment and the gallery and open the video of the identified bird. Then tap the option of species, name, tag under the video, select the wrong recognition and search for or select the correct bird from the list to replace the incorrect ID. Then guys, double check your location setting. While Birdfy internally AI operates on the global model, so ensuring your app knows where the feeder is can helps to narrow down the database. Tap the option of profile icon in the top right corner of the bottom home screen. Then confirm your device location settings are connected. If you are recently moved or set up the feeder, ensure the app has GPS location permission enabled in your phone settings. Then guys, supplement with the Merlin bird ID. Because smart feeder can occasionally struggle with the lightning or the angel, the AI may guess out of the region localize. So you save the snapshot or videos of the bird from the Birdfy app to your phone and use the Merlin bird ID photo ID feature on that image. Then filter the Merlin search result by your exact region to the confirm the correct species. So guys, thank you.